Portraits in profile have a very old history. For example, ancient Egyptians always depicted portraits in the side view because this gives a likeness of the model. Later on, portraits in profile were minted on coins as the most recognizable symbol of a ruler. There is one rule you need to apply when composing a portrait in profile: giving the nose room. According to this rule, the space in front of the face should be a bit bigger than the space from the back of the head to the edge of the paper. That is why we begin drawing not with the face outline, but by marking the front and back edges of the head. We have reserved the nose room, and now it's time to check the overall proportions of the head. You can measure by using your hand. In our case, the drawing is almost in actual size, and we can check this dimension on the model. The dimension of the head will stay unchanged to the end of this drawing. It is critical to make necessary measurements now to avoid a lot of troubles with erasing later. There are some proportions of a human head that every fine artist should know by heart. You can also double-check them on a model. The first proportion in question is the ratio of the head's height to its width. In most cases, the distance from the top of the head to the chin is usually equal to the distance from the tip of the nose to the back of the head. So, the head can be inscribed into a square. This ratio is checked and marked in drawing using 4 marks: the top of the head, the chin, the nose, and the back of the head. If you do not see lines in my drawing, this is because I did not press the drawing tool much. The next important proportion is the height of the nose and the ear. First, we mark 3 equal dimensions of the face: from the chin to the base of the nose, from the base of the nose to the eyebrows, and from the eyebrows to the hairline. Of course, you need to remember these proportions every time you draw a portrait, and if in doubt, you can double-check them by measuring distances with a pencil on a model. 3 equal distances from the chin to the nose, from the nose to the eyebrows, and from the eyebrows to the hairline are checked on the model and marked in drawing. Keep in mind that the height of the forehead can vary from model to model, and this rule of thirds of the face is a guide, what to measure, rather than an absolute measurement. The hairline can be higher or lower. This is an individual feature. The next dimension is very important in portrait drawing. The line of the eyes goes through the middle of the head. We should make sure this proportion is in place. In our case, the model's head is approximately at our eye level, and the model keeps her head straight. That is why the lower edge of the ear is located on the same level as the base of the nose. The upper edge of the ear coincides with the eyebrow's level. These 2 levels need to be marked in drawing very lightly. Many amateurish portrait drawings do not follow this important alignment, so to draw like a pro, you need to keep this proportion in mind. I know it is very tempting to start drawing the outline of the face. Nevertheless, it is better to work on big volumes. Here's another important proportion of a head. The distance from the eyebrow to the ear is the same as from the chin to the base of the nose, which is equal to the height of the nose or the distance from the eyebrows to the hairline. These dimensions help to position an ear with precision without unnecessary guesswork. An amateur artist would skip these important steps and go straight to drawing the outlines of the face. Such an unprofessional approach will end up adding remaining parts of the head to the face outline, which inevitably results in constructive mistakes and misjudgments of proportions. Technically, it is important to go from big forms to smaller details. After the big volumes are in place with the necessary proportions, we can continue drawing the face. This drawing course and the video lessons you are about to watch are dedicated to the part of life drawing we know as constructive drawing. You can learn good drawing skills whatever your level of skills, age, or location. You can do it from the comfort of your home, starting right now. For students like you, we created the Life Drawing Academy, so you could learn without leaving your home from talented artists and art teachers who went through Russian art education system themselves and teach art in the best academies of the world. Here is what you will get in the Life Drawing Academy online course. For a one-time payment, you will get a lifetime access to the 52 life drawing video lessons, which include more than 70 video parts and have total playback time of more than 20 hours. You can watch those videos as many times as you want. They are available online 24/7, and you can watch lessons on any internet-connected device. You will get detailed tutorials on proportions and construction of a human head and body. In multiple video lessons, you will see the various proportions of a human body, head, and face. You will discover various classical canons of proportions and detailed instructions on how to use them in drawing. You will learn how to draw realistic portraits and figures step by step with the necessary knowledge of anatomy. As a Life Drawing Academy student, you can rely on unlimited personal support from Academy tutors. Such support includes artworks critiques, answers to your art-related questions, advice on how to improve your life drawing skills. Our personal support is provided for a lifetime and comes at no extra charge. No other art college or university will ever offer you the same deal. Every video lesson of the Life Drawing Academy self-education course gives more information about classical figurative drawing than students get during 4 years at a contemporary art college. After watching 52 lessons, you will know at least 52 times more about life drawing than an average art college graduate. The real value of the Life Drawing Academy course for 52 lessons, plus personal support, which is priceless, is $99 per every video lesson, which is $5,148. However, you can enroll today at a heavily discounted price of only $297. If you want to receive personal tutoring from the Academy teachers, you can apply for the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course. This is a great value, optional extra. Life Drawing Academy is your unique chance to learn from accomplished fine artists and art teachers, Alexander Rishkin, Vladimir London, and Natalie Ricci, who can personally teach you strong drawing skills step by step. All 3 teachers have exceptional art education and spent many years practicing and teaching art. The drawing techniques and methods we teach are the same as students learn in the best art academies in Moscow and St. Petersburg. Here is what you will get. In addition to all the benefits of the Life Drawing Academy online course, you will receive one-on-one personal guidance from Academy tutors, who will teach you traditional drawing skills and 100 drawing tasks. Every task will have in-depth instructions, including several discussions, critiques, and pieces of advice on improvement. The value of such tasks is $99 each, which is $9,900 in total. However, for a limited number of students, we offer this course for only $997. When the places are filled, we will suspend enrollment or put the price to its real value. This is your unique chance to get unlimited personal tutoring at a tiny fraction of what it really costs. Don't miss your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Enroll now.